Now let me give you an overview of the seminar. We have 2 days. In the first day, we're going to start you off with a scenario that will drive the relevancy of the course as you're developing your teams. And this seminar we're going to set within the diabetes medical arena, in which we'll draw from expertise of Dr. Buchwald, who is working in the area of islet cells that are transplanted and the concerns that they have with the immune system trying to attack them and preventing the cells from providing the medical benefit. Additionally, we're looking at a new device, a biofeedback insulin and immunosuppression patch system, which theoretically will provide the basis of your project teams, where you are taking this patch system through human trial phase. So there's going to be various aspects of the patch system, from the pharmaceutical, the biological, the biofeedback system, the microcontrollers, all the little devices and everything that make up this system that you can address as part of your team-based projects. And we'll use that within this life cycle project, in which we'll look at the analysis of what we need to accomplish, we'll design, we'll develop solutions and presentations, and evaluate the outcomes of our team-based project. So day one will take care of establishing the base, creating a web portal, and some of those communication streams that need to be set up in order to get your team established. Then we'll introduce some of the technology and the terminology of what this Web 2.0 tools are all about, and then start using them, as particularly in the analysis phase on day one, where we'll look at what is the problem that we're trying to solve, and we'll create a design using mind mapping software that can be collaboratively worked on in your team. We'll look at setting up calendars, shared calendars, and timelines of what you want to do in your project. In day two, we'll extend on those project tasks and project management features, and also look at creating online meetings, discussion boards, the use of voice threads, question boards, all of these things where you can use your team collaboration in order to bring in all of the good ideas and solutions, and then synthesize those into your portal. We'll look at simulations and taking data, using online forms, and then presenting that data in various charting mechanisms. And we'll also look at, along the way, how you can evaluate how your team is actually working effectively. And at the end of day two, we'll take any questions and answers that we may have left out, because there's a lot of tools and there could be additional things that could fit into this life cycle process. And then we'll complete a questionnaire to get your feedback. So are there any questions before we get started?